Today is the time for our February performance task, and it's going to be about flowers. So look for the page that's got the flower on it and write your name on there. And today's date is February, which is the second month, 24th, the 24th day of the month in the year 2021. So let's read what our problem says first of all. Lily picked 5 flowers from the garden. Macy picked some flowers too. Together, they picked 8 flowers. How many flowers did Macy pick? So, because it tells me that Lily picked 5, but Macy just says some. So we're going to circle our numbers. So the first number we have is 5. And then we have this number that's some. We don't know what that number is. It's a question mark. And then we have 8. Because altogether they have 8. So how many flowers did Macy pick? So what I think I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw this out. I know that Lily, we need to know the question is how many did Macy pick, right? And the action word that we need to box is together, because that means we're going to be adding things together. So let's look at what this looks like. So if Lily picked 5 and Macy picked some, we don't know what some is. That's the question, right? That's a blank. But together they picked 8. So 5 plus some number equals 8. So let's think about this. I went ahead and I printed up some pretty flowers, and let's figure we need to have 8 altogether because they picked 8, right? So let's put out 8 pretty flowers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put this up here a little more. 5, 6, 7, 8. So here's our 8 flowers. That's how many they had all together at the end, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, it said Lily had 5 of them. So let's take Lily's 5 flowers away, okay? Let's take her 5 flowers away. Even though this says plus, there's a way we can get this answer by using take away too, because we know 5, but we don't know 3. So 5 plus some number that we don't know is going to equal 8. So let's see if we take away 5, if we could find that number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We took away 5 of Lily's flowers. Now we still have how many here? 1, 2, 3. So Macy picked 3 flowers. So what we can do, since I did it with pictures, you guys can do it with pictures too. Let's draw all 8 of them on here. I'm not the best flower drawer, but 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's my 8 flowers that they picked all together. Now we know that Macy picked 5 of them. Lily picked 5 of them. So it says right here, Lily picked 5. So I'm going to put an L on top of the ones that Lily picked, okay? So L, 1, 2, she picked 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the rest of them, I'm going to put an M for Macy, because Macy picked some. We don't know how many. So let's put M's on all the rest. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So Lily picked these and Macy picked these. And then at the bottom it says Macy picked how many flowers? Let's go count how many M's there are for Macy. 1, 2, 3. Macy picked 3 flowers, okay? Another way I could do it is if I did a number line and I have 0 and I'm going to go up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? Now I know that Lily had 5, so Lily was right here. But I knew we had to get to 8 right here, right? So let's count how many it took to get to 8. 1, 2, 3. So it took 3 more. 5 plus 3 equals 8. And that's how we do our February test performance about flowers. And I can't wait to start seeing some pretty flowers start to bloom. Can you? I'm ready for springtime. Look at all these pretty flowers. All right, boys and girls. Have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow.